Alright, this is just a quick video to show you how to get this level of audio quality from a cheap gaming headset. And the main difference that I want to show you how to do is to get rid of that background noise. So if I just record here on my studio mic, you can see I'm going to be silent for a second. And you can see here that there's essentially no background noise. So that's what we want to achieve with the gaming headset, because usually they're a bit staticky in the background. Alright, so now we've got the gaming headset on, and I'm going to start recording here. And if you have headphones on, you should be able to hear that there's a bit of a background hiss, kind of that electronic noise, staticiness. So I'm just going to be quiet for 1 second. And so you can see that it's not quite flat here. And it's not as bad as it was when I initially plugged it in for some reason. Before it was a lot more staticky, but I bought one of these things. A little USB audio card so that I could remove some of that electronic noise. So I'm going to plug that in now and then plug the headset into here, and you'll be able to hear the difference if you're wearing headphones. Alright, so now I'm recording into my headset plugged into that little USB device. Thank you for adding that, Kamira. So I'm going to be quiet for a second here, and hopefully the baby is quiet and you can hear the absence of background static. Yeah, so you can see there's essentially no background noise now. So that's the goal. Just buy one of those on Amazon. They're like $7 or something. I keep looking over at my other monitor. Buy one of those. They're like $7. It'll really improve your audio quality.